Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over the limit clause in MySQL. So the limit clause allows us to get a certain amount of records from our query. So I have a table here, so if you do select all from persons, you can see I have a table here with a few values, okay? But let's say that I only want to select a certain amount of these values, okay? So we'll do the exact same thing. So we'll do select all from persons. And then at the very end of this, we will do limit. And then let's say we do limit 4. And now you can see we are only going to get 4 of the records because we have added the limit. Okay. Now let's say that we want to have a where clause in this. So the way we'll do that is we'll do it the exact same way. We'll add a normal where clause. So we'll do select all from persons. And then we can do something like where let's do where first name is equal to, let's say, Bob. Okay, so you can see we are getting 4 of these values because we have 4 records with the first name Bob. But then if we want to limit that to a certain amount, we'll just add limit, say we do limit 2. And this will only get the first 2 records from here. Okay, so that's about it for this video. It's a very short one, but I hope this video was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.